Not too many people know, but there is an emergency SOS feature built into their iPhone, and to access it, all you need to do is hold down the side button and one of the volume buttons for a few seconds. Or if you've enabled the feature, you can rapidly press the side button 5 times. Now the side button on your iPhone is actually the sleep button, and it's located on the right side of your iPhone. Whenever you hear the side button being referred to in Apple conversations, yes, there's plenty of sides to a phone, and the left also houses buttons, specifically the volume up and down buttons, but the side button is the one on the right. So when we hold down the side button and either of the volume buttons for a few seconds, it brings up this screen where you can slide your finger across and trigger an emergency SOS call. Now, if you do this, it'll call your local emergency services. So in the US, for example, that's 911. In Australia, it'll call 000. So let's go to our settings app and we'll scroll down and we'll choose emergency SOS. And the first option is where we can configure the SOS feature to activate if we quickly press the side button 5 times. Now, the other way we just tried, it's still going to work, but this is probably a better option because it means that you don't have to slide your finger across the screen in order to complete the emergency SOS connection. Now, in an emergency, that extra time to slide your finger across the screen could be critical. I know wet fingers, for example, sometimes makes it difficult to interact with phone screens. So this may be an easier way. Now, regardless, you can configure both. Auto call is enabled. It does exactly what you think, and it automatically calls emergency services when you trigger the SOS. And after it's placed the emergency call, it'll then count down and then contact whomever is listed as your emergency contact in the Health app on your iPhone. And there's a link there so you can add or edit those contacts if you like, and it will take you straight to the place in the Health app. Now, our last option is to play a sound while it counts down to calling the emergency services. That's useful perhaps for alerting people around you to the emergency and letting you know, obviously, that that call is taking place. So I'm going to simulate an emergency call by holding down the volume and side buttons to bring up my menu. Now I'm going to slide our finger across the SOS and immediately it's going to dial 000. Now I'm going to hang up. I'm not going to waste their valuable time. And next, it triggers a 10-second countdown to send an SMS to whomever is listed as my emergency contact. Now in that message, it's going to contain my current location and a message that I've initiated the SOS function. Now, if you have location services turned off in your phone, it's going to automatically turn it on when this feature is used. So that's great for identifying where you happen to be when the emergency occurred. Now, if you happen to still be in motion, let's say you're in a vehicle which is still moving and you need emergency services, your emergency contacts will get an update about your final destination. All right, now I'm going to cancel this too. Obviously, I don't want to alarm anyone, but if we go to our recent calls, we'll be able to see that 000 was attempted. So that's the emergency SOS feature built into your iPhone. Hopefully something you're never going to have to use, but it is there, it's useful, and it could save your life. So it's worth taking a quick look and familiarizing yourself with how it works. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you all in the next video. Have a great and a safe day.